Welcome to the future of training, where learning transcends traditional boundaries and embraces cutting-edge technologies. In this fast-paced world of e-learning, 4 trends stand out: artificial intelligence, avatars, 3D models, and extended reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing e-learning by personalizing the learning experience. AI algorithms analyze learner data to tailor the learning to their individual needs, pacing, and learning styles. With AI, training becomes adaptive, intuitive, and more effective, fostering deeper engagement and understanding. Avatars, the next new trend, bring a whole new level of immersion to online learning. Learners can create personalized virtual identities, interact with peers and instructors in virtual classrooms, and even participate in simulations and role-playing exercises. Avatars make e-learning more interactive, social, and enjoyable, enhancing collaboration and communication among learners. Imagine exploring the intricacies of the human body or the inner workings of a complex machine through lifelike 3D models. 3D technology brings content to life, allowing learners to visualize complex concepts in ways that were previously unimaginable, making learning immersive, engaging, and unforgettable. And finally, we have XR, or extended reality, which includes virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. XR takes e-learning beyond screens and textbooks, transporting learners to virtual worlds to interact with digital content in real time. From virtual field trips to simulated laboratory experiments, XR makes learning an adventure, sparking curiosity and creativity like never before. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.